definitely delta deposits. Kate just texted me to say it's ridiculously windy wherever she is. I don't know if she's at home or in the Globe, but it does not bode well for making time. Hopefully it'll blow itself out overnight. I'll clean run tomorrow. But I've been blessed with amazing weather so far. Had no rain, no snow, normal levels of wind. And a great season runoff, so nothing to complain about if I end up with a day of wind. Although it'll make for a tough day on the lake tomorrow. It could get choppy. And I need to pick up a bailing bucket somewhere along the way. There seems to have been no shortage of Circle K cups and Gatorade bottles. Some of these big tall banks are the new norm here. Just went through a rapid a minute ago where there was no tributary. It was very cobbly. So it had something to do with formation of the delta, I guess, or some lag deposit that was left before it was the delta or something. But it was a little class 1 plus in the middle of this muddy silt field here. Still on the lookout for those roads. Actually not that windy here. I definitely have a headwind, but being down low inside here, I'm protected from the brunt of it. I can see the trees moving pretty well up on the top. There's definitely some dark bottomed clouds up there. Good camp here. I do want to get behind some trees. It's going to get windy.